You might be wondering on why you have zero engagement on your TikTok videos when you usually have a number of comments, views, or likes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok comments, views, and likes stuck at zero. Without further ado, let's get started. So for example, your TikTok is not getting the usual number of likes, views, or comments. So the first thing that you can do is to go to your Safari or any browser you have on your phone and search for TikTok Down Detector. And click the first search that pops up on your side and just see if there are current problems that are on TikTok servers. So this can be the case because it might be a glitch that is causing this problem of having literally zero comments, views, and likes on your TikTok. So if that is not the case and there are no TikTok server issues, you can then go to the next step, which is to check if your TikTok is up to date. So to do that, go to your app store. I have searched it already, but what you can do is to type in the search bar is TikTok and tap on TikTok and just update your TikTok app. If it shows an option for you right here, that means that your TikTok is currently outdated. So just tap on the update option so that you will have the updated TikTok app with the latest improvements and features within the app. So that is how you can basically fix TikTok comments, views, and likes stuck at zero. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.